my name is Emma, and I just got transferred from dispatch.
Yeah.
She wanted me to tell you what's going on here at the Borough Maintenance Building.
Okay.
I believe he's tied in with those First Amendment guys. He was just filming the building, which I understand is not a crime, but now he's walking around filming all of our personal vehicles. That's making a bunch of the ladies here uncomfortable.
Okay. What's this guy? Do you know what this guy's name is?
His name is Brandon, and his YouTube channel is like the Alaska News 11, or Alaska 11 News Now or something on YouTube.
What is it? One more time?
I believe it's the Alaska News 11 Now. I think that's his channel on YouTube.
Okay. Emma, what's your last name? And what's a good phone number for you? So,
go
ahead.
Oh, and then I believe he's driving, like,
Wait, can I verify the number?
It's a dark, kind of like a darker gray Toyota Tacoma with like the little half doors. It's parked outside of the borough parking lot on KB Drive.
Okay. Has he committed any crimes or tried to force entry into any of the vehicles, do you think?
No, he hasn't. He's walking around the parking lot. He's put his camera up to the window of one of the borough vehicles, and then he walked up and down all of our personal vehicles and videotaped, like, I'm guessing the license plate numbers or just the parking lot in general, but a lot of the women here feel uncomfortable that he's doing that.
Right. And that makes sense. But what I can almost guarantee you will happen if we, and by we, I'm meaning the troopers, if we respond, it's going to turn into an argument with him, and we're not able to force him away from the building unless he's committed some sort of criminal offense, which it sounds like he hasn't. He's just there, exercising.
Being a nuisance.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, and exercising his rights there. So I appreciate the call. Unfortunately, there's not a lot that we can do for you in this situation, and I think I truly believe that this is one of those situations where less is more, and if the less attention you give him, the more you're going to get out of it. That's what he's looking for, is a reaction from you, from us, from anyone who will give it to him, and eventually, if he doesn't get that from you or from us, he'll just, most likely, most of the time, these guys tucker out and fade away and go find someone else that'll give them what they need, and that's what they need, is that reaction. So, all that to be said, I'm not going to respond there unless something changes, and I don't want that to I don't want that to sound calloused or
I totally get it. That makes a lot of sense. So I get it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna Emma, I'm gonna let you go here. I got another call coming in. I got to grab, but feel free to let us know if something changes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Bye bye. Hello, this is Sergeant Orwin.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.
All you can do is play the game.